Hello everyone, we are Team Hashbrown, and we had chosen the problem statement of trying to create a threat intelligence feed aggregator for the Societe General Hackathon. So this is what we have come up with, and we call it SentinelStream. So here we can see the landing page, which is basically a dashboard, and we here we feature a few topics sources where we can view top IOCs. So from OSINT threat field, we can see the flagged IP addresses and SHAs here. And if you want to have a complete look of all the uh, contents of the feed, here we have only top 50, but if you want to have a look at it completely, since we have already selected it here, uh, we click on the show full feed in new tab. And in the tab for viewing full feed, of the popular thread feeds, we can see the full feeds. So let's look at the IP block list in full feed. Here we can see all the IPs that have been flagged by this particular list that has been published. So this is the landing page. Let's look at this. Search in IOC, search IOC in feed. So here we can select the popular uh, publications of the thread feeds. And in that, we can look for any IOCs that we want to check with in this field and check it here. And this fourth feature, which is the AI summary cards, here we have uh, the articles that have been aggregated from various sources, from various RSS feeds of popular blog sites, and also from GitHub repositories where they dump threat intel and also uh, IOC dumps on GitHub. So here, as you can see, we have the newest, the article sorted from newest to oldest. Uh, let's look at this particular article. So we have the title, we have the source, we have the date when it was fetched, and the summary of the content uh, of the article as generated by the LLM. As of now, we are using Llama 2 using the LLaMA framework. Then you can see if any IOCs were found, that is the indicators of compromise were found in this article. And on clicking the dropdown, we can see 99 URL IOCs and 14 hash IOCs were found here. We can click on this link to view the original article. And so like this, we have various articles listed out with their fields like this. And for the articles where IOCs were found, we can scroll down to the bottom of the page and select that particular article of interest. So let's look at this stop ransomware, ghost green ransomware. So for this article, let's try to download the IC file. So here the download option is available. Here we can see the pattern. So the title of the original article, the link to the article, and the IOCs that were found in this article have been listed accordingly. And there are several pages. We can move to the next page like this. And the IOC article to download from will only be reflected here only if the particular page has any IOC articles, IOCs to download from. If the articles in the particular page has IOCs to download from, that will be reflected here. Else it won't. We can search for a particular uh, keywords for the titles here, and this feature that we have here, which is refresh feeds plus resummarize. This will basically uh, refresh all of our feeds from our sources and resummarize them. This is how we, uh, and it will ignore any already summarized articles and so. So when we plug in live, when we plug in feeds with live updation, we can use this run pipeline feature to update our sources to the latest levels. So next we have this analyze my article feature. This is currently under development. We couldn't execute it completely due to the time constraint. So here we just paste the article of interest. So let's say we paste this and we analyze the link. The plan is to make the uh, uh, LLM work upon the source that we just gave to summarize the content and give us any IOCs if found. So this particular link seems an dead end. Let's try another one. So in this particular one, Gemini, by the way, for this feature only, for fast processing and on real-time processing, we are using Gemini API, not Llama 2, as it is used for the other LLM functionalities of this project. Uh, so for this particular link, some IOCs, that is two IP IOCs were identified and it is available for download. Yeah. So this is all the features that we could implement for a well-structured and well-thought threat intelligence feed aggregator in the 48-hour hackathon. Thank you. This is Team Hashbrown.